Woodpeckers are built for relentless pecking, striking wood up to 20 times per second without harm. Their specialized skulls absorb shock, protecting their brains from impact. They peck to find insects, carve out nesting holes, and communicate through rhythmic drumming. Found in forests worldwide, woodpeckers are key players in maintaining healthy ecosystems by controlling insect populations. Their long, sticky tongues help them extract insects from deep inside tree bark. Some species, like the pileated woodpecker, leave distinctive rectangular holes in trees. Woodpeckers also use drumming as a form of communication, establishing territories and attracting mates. Their strong claws and stiff tail feathers help them cling to tree trunks.